Hey everyone, Tom Hoffman here with Ressio, and today I'm going to show you how to tell the difference when Mason is just answering from one singular project versus across all active projects. So I'm on the company page and company overview now, but you can really access this and see this information from anywhere where you have access into Mason. So if we go ahead and open them up, down here towards the bottom, you'll see that I have no project selected here, and he's going to answer from all projects in scope. Essentially what that means, if I was to ask him here, how many overdue approvals do I have right now? He'll answer from across the entire scope of projects that I have with overdue approvals on them. But if you click this little home house button right here, that's going to actually open up the projects, and you'll have all the projects that you have currently in here from an alphabetical view. But you can also search directly onto them, and then if I click on any of them, it's only going to pull that project in here, and he'll use just this project to answer that same exact question. So if I ask what overdue approvals I have from here, he's just going to answer directly into here from that singular project. And if that project or that question is ever unclear, Mason may ask some follow-up questions regarding whether or not it's in the right scope of what you're looking for as well. But that's Mason 2.0. He's helping builders get the right information from the right context. And now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your CSM, CSC. If you're not yet signed up with us yet and you're ready to get done prompting and start building, reach out to ressiosoftware.com and book a demo with us now. Thanks so much, guys. See you soon.